Pennsylvania Senator John Fetterman is highlighting the importance of seeking treatment if you're experiencing mental health issues. Fetterman checked himself into a hospital for clinical depression. New at 6, Angela Rozier talked with local mental health experts who hope his courage helps others.
Hi, Temple. How you doing today?
I'm good.
Doing well?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
All right.
Desmond Gilmore is the clinical director at Integrated Healthcare Systems in Riviera Beach.
We developed this organization because we realized that there were several people in the community that don't have the finances or the ability or the access to have good health services.
Gilmore says they're also dedicated to helping those with mental health issues.
None of us are pretty much exempt when it comes to mental health, and especially when it comes to depression.
He and his clients are aware that Pennsylvania Senator John Fetterman checked into a hospital for clinical depression.
It's ironic that you mentioned Fetterman because I was diagnosed with clinical depression and I didn't fully understand it.
And it gives them hope that his courage will help remove some of the stigma.
I'm happy that he's getting the help that he needs, and he was brave enough to get the help that he needs to, because it can just be really difficult also. Sometimes it can just be seen based off of the stigma as a weakness.
Psychologist Rachel Needle agrees.
Helping to reduce the stigma and realizing that it can happen to anybody, and also knowing that if you are struggling, you're not alone and that it's okay to get help and to ask for help.
She hopes the senator's openness may encourage others to also reach out.
Seeking support is one of the most important things, whether it's from a friend, a family member, or if you're continue to struggle and it's becoming more severe, definitely from a licensed mental health professional. And in our area, we're lucky we can call 211 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.
According to Mental Health America, Florida ranks 49th in the nation for access to mental health care. The ranking is based on 9 measures ranging from adults and youth who did not get treatment to those who are uninsured or unable to afford care. Nearly 2.9 million Florida adults, about 17% of the population, have some form of mental illness. And as a reminder, you just heard in Angela's story, the people at the 211 helpline, Palm Beach and Treasure Coast, they are there if you need